Babe! What are you doing? This is a weight on me. Just go get over here. I don't want to walk in the rain there, though. Are you gonna? Alright. Come here real quick. Come here. It's too wet. Okay, but can we walk in the actual fence? Because it's cold and I don't have a jacket on or nothing right now. You just took off on me. Don't take off right now. Nope. Can't see it, but they're right there. It's the Coast Guard. They flew right behind the trees. About to have to pause this for a second. Wipe my phone off. It's so rainy out here. Oh man, dude, it's crazy, huh? Cold. Way colder than it was yesterday. Yeah, that's funny. I'm about to have to call FEMA and talk to them about everything. I didn't know I was supposed to do that. I just found out I was supposed to. A lot of neighbors didn't tell me. I'm not used to this, so I don't know about all that. Apartments just flooded out. Yeah, I'm gonna go look at the pool. It was, I bet it was really crazy over here. I didn't want to come over here. Oh wow. Yeah. That pool. Yeah, I'm gonna call them in a minute when I get back to the house. I just wanted to show y'all this morning. There's people still out here though, trying to survive. Yeah, my whole apartment got flooded, so I gotta call them. I didn't realize that they're supposed to handle it or something about relocation and stuff like that. A doorbell. I've never seen one that works over here. Yeah, it's still here. It's not going away for a long time. It's coming back. It didn't rain. For some reason, the rain kind of cut out last night for a while, which was good. But then it's coming back during the day, and it sucks. Because none of us can get out of here like we wanted to. Everybody's trying to drive out of here. A lot of people had left, and I have some friends that actually took off right before I went live, and hopefully they're okay. Yeah, it's gonna get crazy out here. But it's a difference that yesterday over here, at least. At least something's happening over here. Oh, wow, look at beer cases. No.
Oh, there's beer in there. Nasty good.
Oh man, screw this. I'm about to go back to the house. I'm not walking no Walgreens. Come on.
Why?
Because I'm cold and I need to get... I don't have...
How long pants on?
They're wet too. And it's freezing winds out here right now. Yeah, right? Wasted beer. I don't think that was wasted. I think somebody went and did some stuff. I'm about to come back out. They looted the stores last night. All over. The Valero. Down the street. A whole bunch of places, I guess. What some guys were telling me. I was live and I seen a bunch of guys leaving to go do that last night. Actually, I was pretty sure that's what they were gonna go do, and then this morning I seen somebody and they said they seen a bunch of people doing that. Babe, are we close to the Beltway? No. No. How far are we from there? 20 minutes away from the Beltway.
By West Park, which is completely underground.
We're by West Park. Oh, so hopefully that person's okay. Sweet. That's what's up. Thank you, Rafu. Can't stop people from Texas.
What?
They say you can't stop people from Texas. They're out here. Rain or shine. Hurricane or not. You think I'm dumb? I know. It's okay. Yeah, we still got power where we are. We're all okay over here. I think, I mean, if I see someone, they say they want to get out of here, I'm asking people if they're okay when I see them. Majority of these younger guys are all wanting to stay. No one wants to leave that's younger, so I don't blame them. I don't want to leave either. This is where our home is, so. Yeah, Donald. That's right. That's why I feel like this is best. I mean, y'all seen last night. I'm pretty sure if it gets too bad, I'll get us out of here before I have enough contacts to get someone over here. But right now, I just think I should let other people that need to get out of here, I should help them get out of here. There's my apartment. Man, it just feels so weird to be around. Like, I like rain. It just feels so weird for it to rain all the time, you know? And then it stops, and it's like there's a lake or like around where you live, you know? And then it goes down and it starts again. Everybody's cool in here. That's crazy. I'll get at y'all. I'm gonna get live in a little bit again.
Well, good morning, everybody, from downtown Houston. This is the Montrose neighborhood that you're looking at. I'm on the rooftop of a building down here. Now, if you look right below me, this car park, you can see now the water level here. It's buried one car. It's half buried another. But last night, this was much deeper. It was completely over the roof of that vehicle, that SUV, and this thing, I don't know, half full. So I mean, if you say, look at that telegraph pole there at the bottom, I'd say it's come down a couple of feet overnight. Now, this is a local TV station over here. Now, it made the news yesterday during the day because flooding came up to the second floor, and the crews there, the team there, they had to evacuate. It was very emotional, I think, from what I can tell. The good news for Houston, where 30,000 people are going to have to be evacuated and stay in shelter, is that the rain is going down. You can see over there a lot of flooding over in these buildings. So the rain has gone down overnight. It's eased up considerably. On Sunday night, it was on Monday and Friday. Sorry, forgive me. Saturday night, it was absolutely manic. It rained for 10 hours, persistent hard rain. It was. I spoke to a friend here who said it was crazy, torrential downpour. Ironically enough, at that time, I was in Corpus Christi on the other side, which was close to where the storm had come in, and it was completely dry. Now, when I drove over yesterday, about 250 miles, it took me 5 hours. At one point, I essentially had to come to a stop on the highway because the rain was just so crazy. And then it eased off all of a sudden, and then suddenly it became crazy again. So this is what the people of Houston are experiencing. They're experiencing these bands of rain, bands of weather. It's going to move you around to give you a bit more. This is downtown Houston, what we in English would call the city center. You can see the buildings are wrapped in mist and rain this morning. It's just got light about 20 minutes ago here. It's 8 a.m., 6 hours behind London, an hour behind Eastern Standard Time. You can see how grey and miserable it is. Houston's normally sunny, it's normally hot.